Hi, guess what's in this box? Something we're gonna cook. So awesome. Blueberries. These are fresh. These are beautiful. Can you get a good look at them? Oh my gosh. They're big and they're so plump and juicy. And these are from the Haynesbury Farm, Pemberton, New Jersey. Fresh picked. Okay, I'm going to make something out of this for our 4th of July meal.
Bacon cheeseburgers?
I'm going to make baked ricotta with blueberry topping. So first we're going to make the ricotta part and put it in the oven. While that's baking, we're going to make the blueberry topping.
You're gonna eat them all.
Here you go, Rick.
Thank you.
Boy, are they nice ones. All right, let's go over here and I'll show you how to make the part that we're going to bake in the oven. All right, so we're going to start with a pound of ricotta cheese. Sometimes these are 15 ounces, anything like that is in the range. So we're going to put that into a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour, which I have already measured. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, which I'm just going to guess. I'm going to add 2 eggs. These are nice jumbo eggs. And we're going to add some fresh ginger. Now this is ginger that's organic. It's fresh and it's already chopped up. So I'm going to add a couple pinches of that. This ginger adds so much flavor, you can smell it. It's really nice to have fresh ginger. At the very least, if you can grind it in the pepper mill, that's also a nice way to do it. All right, we're going to mix this up. That's all there is to it. If you're making a big batch, you might want to get out your KitchenAid mixer or hand mixer, because a big batch would mix much nicer. However, we're only going to make a few containers. Beat it up. Alright, mix it till it's pretty creamy. You can have a few lumps in, that's okay. But we're going to use these cute little flower pot containers today because we're doing the red, white, and blue kind of cooking. So we're going to spread this out between the 3 pots. These are pots that we can use to make bread or muffins or anything that you want to have that cute effect. So just spread this out to the number of containers you want to use. Smaller portion you can use just a ramekin. Let's get them even. They'll bake evenly too, so that's nice. All right, now when you do choose a container, we're going to choose something that allows more room for topping on top. So you don't want it to come completely to the top. All right, now we're preheating our oven. See how nice they are? Nice and creamy, golden. We preheated the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to put this tray in the Cosori toaster oven. And we're going to, it says it's preheated. Do you hear that little beep? And we're going to bake it for 45 minutes, or at least until it's golden brown on top. All right? Okay, and in the meantime, we're going to make the blueberry topping. So let's get this in and then we'll come back and make the topping. Alright, we're just going to make the topping now in a little saucepan. I have about 2 cups of blueberries, and I just washed them. Then I'm going to make a little mixture here with some lemon juice. So I'm going to cut a fresh lemon. And there may be some seeds. We're going to use half of a lemon. So I'll start by squeezing it out. Oh, look at that. Look at that lemon juice. Oh, and then a couple seeds pop out. Get rid of them. One went in here. Then I usually take a spoon, and to get all the juices out, I just turn the spoon. And you can see that you get a lot more juice than by just squeezing a half a lemon. Alright, now just take a look in your mixture, and if you have any seeds, get rid of them. Nobody wants them. Alright, this is about what you get when you squeeze the lemon. Then, to that, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. About a tablespoon. We don't need a lot of sugar because the berries are pretty sweet. Then I'm using this ginger again. Now, this is lightly dried, it says. It comes from Melissa's. Melissa's is a produce company that I really admire. They get the nicest, strangest, freshest vegetables and fruit. And I just like the way they do business. So you can get this in the produce section. It stays refrigerated. Alright, we'll mix up this a little bit. Get the sugar to dissolve. We're going to add a little bit of water. Just about a couple tablespoons of water. We're going to pour that over the blueberries. And I'm going to get this started cooking on medium heat until the blueberries start to cook and get soft. And in fact, it'll become a very thick syrup. And that's what we're going to use to top off our ricotta mixture that's baking in the oven right now. Alright, so let me start cooking this. It'll take about 10 minutes. I'll show you when it starts to get thicker. Alright, you can see how the berries are starting to soften up and split apart a little bit. All that nice ginger in there. Let's take the leftover half of lemon, the one I juiced it, and put some zest in there, because that'll add even more delicious flavor. Alright, see, there's some nice zest. And that adds some more of the lemon texture and flavor. Alright, we're going to keep stirring, cooking this down. Probably take about 5 or 6 more minutes. Alright, I just want to show you a little bit about how these berries are coming along. See all the juices that got created from the berries themselves. That's what we have to cook down, but it's really doing nice. It's getting a little bit thicker, as you might see. Okay, we'll be back. Alright, I'm finished with the cooking. I'm going to show you close up here. This is nice and thick, but yet the berries stay whole. I don't want the berries to become just juice. So I'm going to pour this into the measuring cup that we started with. And this will start the cooling process a little bit. Okay, I'm over at the toaster oven. This is the Kasori. It's also an air fryer. Hear that? I think we're done. I peeked in the top here, and it shows a little brownness. Ooh, that's pretty hot. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Ah, boy, does that smell good. Oh, that looks perfect. Come on over, Rick. Look down here.
Okay.
Okay, this is what we're hoping for. A little brownness on the top. It has risen up to near the top of the flower pot, and you can see how firm it is. Oh, they smell so good too. All right, I'm going to let them cool, and I'm also still allowing the blueberry topping to cool. So we'll be back later on when we're having our picnic, and we'll sample this for dessert. All right, in the meantime, we've been cooking on the grill. We got mushrooms, nice portobellos, some ground beef burgers, Angus, nice dark colored hot dogs like Rick likes them. And then we have our condiments. We have hot dogs, and we're ready for hamburgers, corn. We have some nice grilled asparagus, and this is a tortellini from a grilled tortellini dish we made this morning. We're eating it cold as a salad now. What do you think? Ready to eat? Mm-hmm. And after we eat this, we're saving room for dessert. And that's what we've been cooking on
That's on
my video this morning.
Pasta Word channel.
Yeah, this is from Pasta Word channel, so we'll give you this recipe link too. All right, let's get those burgers on the rolls. There's that hamburger, portobello, tomato, pickles, mayo, also ketchup.
Show her a little bit for her channel. She made the dessert on her channel. We'll show you that.
Hey,
Matthew's videos.
what you doing?
Hey, dueling cameras.
All right, we're ending up our picnic out here, and these are the flower pots. You can see them a little bit better outside. But remember how the filling baked all the way up and was real puffy? After I refrigerated it, it sunk back down and made a nice little nest for our blueberries.
Looks good.
Yeah. So also, while this started to refrigerate, look how thick it got. Oh my gosh. Take a close look at that.
Yeah.
Look how thick. All right, so we're gonna pour some on top of each of these nests. So we want blueberries and sauce. Wow. It's almost like topping a cheesecake, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's a lot like that in some ways. Now,
You gotta taste it. Oh, I see whipped cream.
Whipped cream. We have whipped cream next. Our table's a little messy here from our cookout.
We had a picnic. Don't squirt me with that.
All right, let's top it off. Woohoo.
Nice.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Now we gotta try them. Rick's gonna join me, but we're doing two cameras here at the same time. So I just want to show you what it is like inside. So when you dig in, look at that creamy. It's almost like a cheesecake mixture.
Almost.
Oh my God. Oh, this is really a great dessert. Nice and cold. It's a little sweet, and you can tell that ginger flavor through both of the topping and the cakey part.
Cakey?
I know you can't wait.
All right, yeah, so,
Come on over. We're having a heck of a time
dessert
coordinating our videos today. Nice and juicy, and see if you like it as much as I did. You gotta dig way down and
yeah, dig down.
get a little bit of everything.
What is it on the bottom? Ricotta?
Ricotta, yeah, it's like a little cakey ricotta. Baked. Isn't that nice? Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching our video today. Make it a sweet recipe and enjoy your holiday. Thanks for spending time with us.
See ya.